I'm leaving. That's great. Der ligger Roskilde, som jeg tror nok Lars Åby Jensen har lavet, bygget. Fandme flot båd. Lars Åby Jensen er med på valsen med Kraka. Fandme dejligt. Nå, well, goodbye to EO.
Altså, når man er på ferie, er det så også, synes man bare, at han er den fantastiske mand i verden.
No wind.
Vi har set nogle gange, og ikke ser, hvor kisset Alexanders måske i virkeligheden er.
What a nice view.
Den her forelskelse, altså især sommerforelskelsen, er det bare sådan en helt vanvittig afart af forelskelsen, hvor man mister alt rationelt tænkning, eller hvad er det? Fordi tit så er man sådan, hvad får så det bare sådan et blackout?
Now the wind has stopped totally. But that guy out there don't need wind.
Og der er sådan en spænding og bemærkning, og der er sådan noget som at få møde op af hjertet, og musik, der er spændende for noget, det kan jo stikke op. Men det er de der banale samtaler, det er og samtaler på ens egne før.
That's the ferry between Aarhus and Kalundborg. That's a fast one. No wind at all, but a lot of waves while it's been blowing so heavily the last couple of days, so the sea hasn't calmed down yet, and I expect more of it far out ahead. But it's motor. Well, I have 70 miles to sail today, and my destination is in a fjord system, so I really would like to get over there before it gets dark. So I haven't got the time for going 1.5 knots for sail. So it's motoring. And out here is the little island, Hjelm. Well, that is Sealand, Sjælland in Danish, and it's its northwest corner, and from in there and out the way, all the way out here. And here there's a reef. But over there there's a hole in the reef. There's the reef going. There. There's a little hole with some going through, and then to Lynes. Even though it has been some good days in EO, my friend Peter and his girlfriend Camilla has bought a Albin Vega 27, which they have moved in on, and we're living up there. Nice to see it, nice boat. Goodbye. Not goodbye, but it was a goodbye. Yeah. Still heading a little more than halfway now, I think. So that's it. Yeah, up there is the gap where I can get into Roskilde Fjord and Isefjord, and I'm going to Roskilde Fjord. And still no wind. Not enough at least. Yeah, that's a spot called Korshage. That's the western part of the gap into the fjords. And it's 543, 2.8 meters deep here. Yeah, and out here there's a Viking ship. don't know if you can see it. Got the square sail. Just got in harbor. So now I'm in Lynes. It took 13 hours. And it's a nice harbor. That one is Bifrost. I met that one on Saturday last year or the year before. And over there is the marina, which I'm not a big fan of. I mean, marinas, I like these old ports more better. Oh, this is where I've ended. And that's the long passage I have to go through before we can get in here. But now it's coffee and then it's food, which will be broccoli and chicken and naan bread. Oh, dinner is served already. Almost, I mean. Just need to heaten up this naan bread. It's great. Chicken, broccoli, corn, garlic, chili. Well, it's morning and I left Lynes Harbor, going for the bridge in Frederikssund to open at 10 and then to Roskilde. Bridge, and it'll open in 7 minutes. So I'm pressing my old Yanmar a bit now to get it. That was in last minute. That was in last minute. And all those cars are waiting for me. Look at that fine little place. This is Østskov, the east forest. The closest part of Roskilde Fjord. You can almost throw a stone from one side of the fjord to the other. Really is close waters. narrow waters. As you know, I've had some problem with my starting motor switch, and I tried to call several engine guys to ask them to sell me a switch or to come and fix it or something, and they say, oh no, you have to buy a complete new start motor. And I said, no, I don't. I can see in my spare part catalog that I can buy every little part separate. So now I give to all these engine guys who want to make money instead of help. So now I found this explosion drawing of the starting motor, and it's sitting in my boat, so I can't see how it's put together. I have to feel with fingers to find the screws. But right here I can see it only goes about 2 bolts. That's the part I need to get fixed. So now I think I'll tear this apart and see how far I can come into this one, the switch, and then cleaning it. Maybe I can clean it so it will go again. And then when it gets winter and the motormen haven't got that much hurry on their business, then maybe I can find a new one. Otherwise I have to call right to Japan and make them send it to me. But after I did this, as I still don't know what's called in English, kortslut in Danish, I put these 2 poles together so it makes sparks and so, and I get some electricity in my fingers. But since I did that on Bjørneø, it has been working. So maybe I've shocked it so much that the things who wasn't to work, I've got that much a shock, so now it goes. But this one is gold to have. Explosion drawings of everything. That's great. And that's mine. 2 GM20C. Yeah, I gotta fix that. But tomorrow it's the concert with the Savage Rose, and then it's the engine. It looks like a summer day, and I'll start today with making another film for you. So I'm sitting here with my list of what to be in it and what to not. And then I'll take I went to my father yesterday and I borrowed his bike, so I'll go cycling around Roskilde today to check out all the old spots. This is the city where I'm born, so I will take that bike and go around the city and look at all the old food. First I'll make a movie for you guys. It takes a hell of a time uploading these movies. Right now I'm just making it ready for the media browser, That took about 4 hours for a movie on 20 minutes or something. When this is done, and there's half an hour yet to go, then I have to upload it on YouTube, and it will take 2 or 3 hours more. That's why they ain't coming in a following stream, these videos. It needs some internet hookup to upload these movies. That's how it is. But now I will I'm in Roskilde Harbor still, and here my father also has a boat. In the age of 70 he bought an LM32, so now I'll go visiting him. Well, when I'm in Roskilde, I have this bicycle to come around. It's my father's, and I borrowed it, and it's great, but I have such a pain in my ass. It's a long time since I've been bicycling. That's the house for the beach hunters, and my granddad started that gathering. Roskilde Stil. Jeg vil lige filme din båd, far. Jeg vil lige filme din båd.
Filme min båd?
Ja, det gør jeg nu. Så man kan se, det er en ordentlig skude. Så. Daddy's boat. Kæft, hvad var der meget plads. It's a little different. This is the fjord I came in through, Roskilde Fjord. And right down here is the harbor. And this is a beautiful area. It's a psychiatric hospital, a big one in Denmark, called St. Hans Hospital. Very nice buildings, very nice place. Kamera, det er sådan, det kan... Skal vi se en gang mormor. Jeg tror, jeg tager det her.
Det er tæt på.
Oh yeah. Så kommer verden også lige med. The chef is sliding the meat.
Ej, det ser godt ud.
Det ser pissegodt ud. Ej, hvor er det mørkt det der, mand. Eller også er det edderbank med en god kniv.
Ja, det er også en god kniv, ja.
Men det er eddermame også mørkt, tror jeg. Wow.
Du går ind og...
I'm back on the boat after the concert, and it really was good. Nice sound, nice numbers, nice weather, everything was perfect. But now I'm back after barbecue with Germa, and then by Germa, and then the concert. But now I'm very tired. Had a little wine and something. Great day, great night. See you. I end up there in my bunk in a minute. Now this is my last evening in Roskilde. I've been visiting my father in his apartment, and I've been visiting him on his boat, and I've been sailing with him on his boat, and we have fixed some water leak in his cooling system on his boat. I've been visiting my grandma, which you can see in the film, and visiting a lot of friends, and I've been to this fantastic concert, which was so good. today AC/DC are playing, and I was offered a ticket to go there with 55,000 other peoples. But I don't want to. I like the quietness here, so I skipped AC/DC. So now I will Skype with Trine in 20 minutes time, and then I will go to sleep, and then I will wake up early in the morning, because I want to sail as far as I can get tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. See you.